The most merciful, the most kind. Respected principal, honorable teachers, and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. Today is 14 August. It is the Independence Day of our beloved Pakistan. On this special day, we also remember our great leader, Raja Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Raja was a great leader. He guided the Muslims over such a long time to achieve a separate independence. Because of his leadership and the sacrifice of the people, Pakistan came and became on 14 August 1947. My dear friends, Raja gave us the message of faith, unity, and discipline. Faith makes us strong, unity makes us one nation, and discipline leads us towards success. If we follow the principles of Raja, we can make our country more successful and prosperous. We should be punctual, study hard, respect our parents and teachers, live together with them and follow the laws of our country. Remember, Pakistan is not just a piece of land, it is our home and our identity. Today, let us promise that our nation will character and hard work. We will make the name of Pakistan shine in the world. Pakistan